In this video we are going to talk about top 5 best online business ideas which makes you rich in 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. If you are looking for the best online business ideas, then keep watching because I'm about to share with you the top 5 hottest and best online business ideas for 2023. These online business ideas are perfect for someone who is just starting out and wants to earn passive income working from home running with their own profitable online business. Before we go any further though, I want to ask you a quick question. On a scale from 1 to 10, how motivated and determined are you to start your own online business? If you scored a 7 or higher, then whatever you do, make sure you tune out any distractions for the next 5 minutes and pull your seat in a little closer because as you watch this entire video, secrets about the best online business ideas will be revealed. And if you watch this video until the end, I will also share one bonus idea with you as well. And all of these ideas all have low startup costs. And I'll also share some things with you that small business owners like yourself must totally avoid to ensure you have the best chance of starting your own successful online business venture. This video is jam-packed with what I consider to be the best online business ideas for 2023 and beyond. And I am excited to share them with you and everyone new to the online business world. What are the 5 best online business ideas? Before we cover what I consider to be the 5 online business ideas for someone who is just starting out, I want to first warn you about something that can stall your progress or even stop you dead in your tracks. The first thing is saying to yourself, "I know that already." By saying that to yourself, you are essentially closing your mind off to new online business ideas and new ways of thinking. The second is saying, "I have heard something similar before," which is very closely related to the first roadblock. And the third is thinking, "Maybe it works for them but it won't work for me." Before you start an online business, you have to believe in yourself. You have to have an unshakable belief that you will succeed with your online business idea. Here is the list of 5 best online business ideas in 2023. Let's start. Number 5. Sell on online marketplaces. Marketplaces allow sellers to market products without the need to create their own online store. Everything is already set up and ready to go. Take a look at our guides on Amazon, eBay and AliExpress and choose your favorite. How to start. Optimize product pages with quality pictures and attractive copy. Build a courier network to cater to the needs and preferences of all possible buyers. Create content in different channels and promote your products. Number 4. Create an online store. Another option if you're interested in selling products is to create your own online store. In this way, you'll have full control of your business, branding and prices, and you'll be able to track traffic and other metrics that can help you fix friction points and utilize competitive advantages as a marketing tool. How to create your online store. Find a suitable e-commerce platform for your business idea. Do market research and find a product or range of products for your store. Create an appealing return policy to attract and retain customers. Number 3. SEO expert. Virtually any digital business will have better results if it ranks well on Google. Because of digital transformation, SEO experts are highly valued professionals. If you have this kind of knowledge, don't miss the opportunity to make a career out of it. Some ideas on how to start are: implement SEO strategies to rank your own website. After all, how can you charge others for this service if you don't do it yourself? Familiarize yourself with the main marketing analysis tools. Choose a niche and master it. Number 2. Sell online courses. This is a service that's in high demand nowadays. For this reason, creating and selling online courses on a wide variety of topics has become very common. From freelancers to public institutions and educators, everyone seems to be basing their careers on virtual education. Depending on the field, you'll need to create a platform or use an already existing tool and focus on the content creation. Tips for beginners. Use the power of influencers to create brand awareness. Opt for niche influences. Create webinars and other types of content to implement an SEO-based marketing strategy. Number 1. Choose drop shipping. Drop shipping is a business model that has great potential for growth. If you don't want to produce your own items, or if you can't or don't want to invest many resources up front, drop shipping is a great way to step into the e-commerce sector. Basic tips to start a drop shipping business. Take advantage of the post-sales channel to retain customers. Invest in marketing and organic positioning to promote your store. Calculate your profit margins and use pricing strategies as a competitive advantage. Bonus idea. Monetize your knowledge on YouTube. If you have knowledge on a subject that can be taught online, creating visual content on YouTube is one of the easiest ways to monetize your knowledge. Choose to share this information via live events or through pre-recorded content and discover how you can use this platform to make a living. You can even combine the possibilities of YouTube with other careers, like SEO expert or online seller. Your knowledge and experience will be valued by aspiring entrepreneurs who may be considering following the same path you did. How to become a YouTuber. Find a topic where you can add value. Conduct a market study and understand the needs of your audience. Now let's talk about how to be more successful with your online business. People pay attention to authority figures in their chosen market, and attention is a form of currency. If you attract and help people that are already problem aware, they are more likely to buy from you because you have already helped them by creating reciprocity. Don't be focused on the quick sale. You only have one chance to make a good impression, so make sure you first provide value upfront in advance and that you only promote products you use and believe in yourself. One of the fastest paths to starting a successful online business is to model people who are already successful doing what you want to be doing. And modeling, not copying what they are doing. For example, what are they selling, how are they selling it, where are they getting their traffic? What is their unique selling proposition? Then figuring out how you can do something similar but different in your own unique way. Hopefully you have a better idea of how to start an online business after watching this video. So this is our today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.